What is up, everybody? Jacob Thompson here, and we're going to Burger King to get the Cheetos chicken fries. Yeah! We are here. We're going to the factory. Yeah!
The chicken fries are good.
But don't have the Cheeto chicken fries crowns. We just got this. Oh shit. About to cuss on our videos.
From that gas pipe leak.
I didn't put it where
God,
we got a burger.
Yeah, it looks like we might have to do the taste.
So here they are. Cool detail in the box. We got them open now. Bits and pieces pour.
They almost out of gas.
Good.
And the pump. And alright, they just wasn't warm or nothing.
Burger King, you know it.
So I'm thinking about moving to New Jersey.
So I'm right back in my over there. There's flowers. So, Burger King, you know it. Times 12. Getting it right off me. Shot. Cardboard. Yeah. Soft fries. There's a fry right there. You wanna try one? He said he loves it. So quiet. Please like this video. Leave a comment and subscribe for Jacob Thompson. Show my favorite them. If my cheeks look fat, not how it looks.